The future has arrived, and it sounds like this. Introducing soundbars from Toshiba. Packed with 300 watts of power and designed for today's larger screens, soundbars fill your home with state-of-the-art audio, making everything you watch an immersive experience. And the setup is so simple, it's done with a single cable. So instead of this, your setup is like this. Play your music wirelessly or with the flagship SVX 5065 model. Tap it for an instant connection. It delivers booming bass, and lifelike surround sound. Make a sound decision. Your audio can sound like this, or like this. Transform your television into a home theater experience with the Toshiba family of soundbars.